This is my paper for ENS 301, part 4. My paper was about post-World War II environmental music. So with this paper, I kind of tried to talk about how music can influence people and culture, specifically when it pertains to how people feel about the environment. And I mainly focused on World War II, post-World War II era, because that's when there was a lot of protest music about a lot of things, but about the environment specifically, a lot of them. So I start off the paper with a quote by Marvin Gaye. "Where did all the blue skies go? Poisoned is the wind that blows." Kind of a lead in to describe how people felt at the time about the health of the environment. And that was 1971 when that song came out, "Mercy, Mercy Me." And then I kind of go on to talk about other things that were going on in the world during post-World War II era and how the music reflected how people felt during that time. That's kind of the essence of the paper part of that. Then my research question here: how did music in the mid to late 20th century influence and reflect public opinion on environmental sustainability? And I can talk about below how music has been intertwined with American culture for a very long time, and the main musicians and artists and musical groups that had the biggest influence on music in the United States and why they're important. My theoretical framework described it here. Here's a visual. So I said that experience, vicarious experience, social persuasion, and physiological feedback all influence self-efficacy, and that will lead people to take action. So that is one reason music is important when it has to do with environmental change. It gets people kind of on the same page and like inspired to take action. My methods in justification, I said that I would compare two different groups of people, one from the boomer generation, which was people born 1946 to 1964, and I would compare a survey of them to Generation Z, somebody born from 1997 to 2012, and see what how they feel music has affected them and influenced them. And that is my paper. Here's the works cited.